roly poly, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. Roly poly, to your right side. Roly poly, to your left side. Roly poly, fast, fast, fast. Roly poly, slow, slow, slow. Roly poly, let's be quiet, just relax. Hello everyone, how do you feel? It's the time to learn mathematics. Do you like to learn mathematics? Yes. Today I am going to introduce what I am going to introduce. Can you think and tell me? Can you see my headgear? What you can see on my headgear? Yes, you can see circles. Today I am going to teach about shapes. I am going to introduce two shapes. First, I am going to introduce circle. Are you ready? Yes. First, I will show you how to draw a circle. Look at the board. Listen carefully. What we are going to learn now? About circle. Yes. First, when you draw a circle, keep a dot. It is very easy for you. Okay? So, there are two ways to draw circles. First, I will draw this way a circle. See, I start from here and I went from this way. So, it's a clockwise way. The same way you can draw the other way around. I mean, we can start from here and you can draw like this also. This is clockwise way and this is anti-clockwise way. Did you watch my last video all about pre-writing skills? If you didn't watch it, please watch it before start learning circle. Clear? This way or this way. One more time. Take your index finger and get ready. You can do air tracing with me. One more time. Yes. Yes, good job. Are you ready to sing a song about circle? Shall we sing? Yes. 1, 2, 3, start. I'm a circle, I go round and round and round. I have no sides, I'm a circle round and round. One more time. I'm a circle, I go round and round and round. I have no sides, I'm a circle round and round. Oh, good job. Now I will ask a question from you. How many sides the circle has? There are no sides for circle. There are no sides for circle. It means 0 sides for circle. Okay, clear? Now let's see what are the examples. What are the real life examples we can see in circle shape? Number 1, pizza. Do you like to eat pizza? I too like to eat pizza. Pizza is a round, flat food. It's an Italian food. But don't eat too much pizza. Why? It's a unhealthy food. Okay? Next. Wheel. Do you know the wheel? Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Yes, How many wheels bus has? 4 wheels. Yeah. Wheels also round in shape. Do your mama make roti? Do you know roti? Roti also? Yes, round shape. It's a healthy food. Okay? Oh, who took my cookies from the cookie jar? Oh my God. I think my husband has taken cookies from my cookie jar. Cookies also round in shape. Do you like to eat cookies? It's a sweet food made by wheat flour, sugar and butter. Don't eat too much cookies, okay? Right. Now I am going to introduce the ornaments in round in shapes. Can you see this finger? Yes, what's this? Ring. Yes, it's a round shape ornament. And can you see this? This is my necklace. It is also a round shape. We want it around the neck. And another ornament that we call bracelet. That is also we want on the around the wrist. Okay, many things we know. Oh, do you forget Mr. Golden Sun? Sun in the sky. It is also we can see the round shape, right? And one more thing, moon. Yes, we can see it from round shape. But actually the shape is spear shape. Okay, now we all know how to draw circles and the song about circle and the real life examples for circle. We'll take a short break and we will learn about what we are going to learn about next. Triangle. Yes. Now I am going to teach you all about triangle. Are you ready? Yes, here we go. Triangle. Yes. First, we will keep a dot over here. When you draw a triangle, we use two lines. What are the two lines? Slanting lines and sleeping line. We are using two slanting lines and one sleeping line. First, I'll start from the top and go down a slanting line. Go back to the top, starting point, again slanting line, go down. Now I will join these two slanting lines with a sleeping line. Clear? First I will keep a dot and slanting line, go down, again up, back to the top, yes, slanting line and join two slanting line with a sleeping line. This we are calling as a triangle. Triangle. See, there are triangles. Tri means three. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides and 3 corners. See, there are 3 sides for triangle. See, 1, 2, 3 and 3 corners. Okay? Take your fingers, you can show your triangle like this. See? Don't show it like this, it will become a diamond. This is like this. Okay? Yes. Now it's the time to sing a song about triangle. Are you ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, start. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. One more time. I'm a triangle, triangle. I'm a pointy little shape. I have three sides. I'm a triangle, triangle. See, it's a pointy shape. See the point. It's a pointy shape. Now I will give you some examples, real life examples for triangle shape. Okay? Pizza is like that, isn't it? Yes. When you cut the pizza, if you are taking a one part, one portion, see, it's like a triangle. It's like a pizza piece, right? Yes. And you know and some cheese also coming as portions. That is also triangle shape. And what else? Do you know the roof of the house? Yes, that is also triangle shape, isn't it? Yes. One more example. Pyramids. Also we can see triangle shape. Yes. Some buildings also triangle shape. And there's a musical instrument called triangle. Do you know triangle? Do you like to listen music coming from triangle? Okay, listen carefully. Now we all know about circle and triangle. How to draw the circle, how to draw the triangle. And songs about triangle and circle both. And real life examples. So, next we will do the hands-on activities. Are you ready? Hi dear children. Are you ready to do hands-on activities? Did you wear your apron? This is my apron, okay? Now I will show you the first hands-on activity. Today I am going to use pipe cleaners. This we are calling as pipe cleaner. I'll show you how to make circle first. See? You can make like this a circle. See? Can you see a circle? Yes, it's very easy. Easy and fun. Okay? Now I will show you how to make triangle. See? There are three angles and three sides. Yes, one. Then I will bend like this. See? The point. See the point, okay? And again bend. And see the triangle? Oh, see? Alright. Alright? Yes, now it's perfect. See, there are three sides, three corners. This is triangle and this is your circle. Now I will show you how to do the circle and triangle activity using paint. Before start writing, the drawing circle and triangle, please do this hands-on activity with your children. This we call as just plastic file. So I kept one A4 sheet and I gave the outline of circle and the triangle on it. And I am going to do this activity using this we call as earbuds and the paint. I will use yellow color paint for the circle, and it's like that. I'll show you. And if the paint is thick, you can add some water and make it. Okay. Now we are going to practice circle activity. We'll go round keeping the line like this. Dip the paint and keep it on the outline. See, this is very good activity to develop the fine motor skills. Okay, can you see the yellow color paints? I'm going around the circle. Yes, this is very fun activity. Oh, nice circle come. Can you see? Yes. Now I am going to finish. Fast, fast I will do. Fast, fast. Yes. Yes. So it's a fine circle. Now the same way I'll do the triangle. You can use any color as your wish. Today I use circle yellow color, and for triangle I'm going to use this white color. Okay. Fast, fast I will do. Yes, again I'll go back to the top and I'll come down. I'll take the point also. Oh, coming. Nice triangle. Yes. Dipping the paint and keep it like this. Yes. Two sides finish. It's pointy shape. And I'm going to finish fast. Fast, fast. Yes, my triangle. Oh, wow. This is circle and this is triangle. And my dear children, I have to tell you something to you.
Right.
Yes, this is circle and this is triangle. So it's a very funny activity you can do at home. And one more thing, after finish this activity, you can wipe this, because this you can use for all the activities. So we can wipe by a tissue, and you can put some sanitizer and you can wipe it and keep for next day. Okay, don't disturb to mama. After finish your hands on, please clean everything and keep it. Right, that is also I want to tell you, because after finish the hands on activities, please clean the file and keep it. Next day also we can use the same file. Okay, I hope you will practice with your mama these two activities. And now I will show you how to wipe this one. Some sanitizer to the tissue and I'll wipe it. Okay. Yes. Now it's very clear. Now see the file, it's very clear. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my video. Please practice these two shapes with your mama before my next lesson. My next lesson is 1 to 10 numbers, forward counting and backward counting. See you soon. Bye bye.